This is a rare Missouri Ozarks property offering 42 plus acres of complete privacy, abundant wildlife, and direct access to thousands of acres of Mark Twain National Forest. Tucked away at the end of a quiet road, the property delivers a true sense of seclusion while still keeping you close to outdoor recreation. It also sits less than 2 miles from the Page Branch boat ramp on Wappapello Lake, making fishing, boating, and lake access extremely convenient. The property includes 2 separate homes. The main residence is a well-maintained 2013 all-electric double-wide featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It offers a functional layout, along with a covered front porch, rear deck, and a concrete pad already in place for a future garage or workshop. The second home is a 1971 double-wide with log siding and a metal roof. It also features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with propane heat and a propane range. While it does need repairs, it presents strong potential as a guest house, hunting cabin, rental unit, or renovation project. An older barn is also located on the property, providing additional storage and enhancing the rural, functional feel of the land. The 42-plus acres are heavily wooded and rich with wildlife. Deer and turkey are frequently seen across the property, often right from the porch, making this an ideal setting for hunting and outdoor enjoyment. With 2 homes, forest frontage, lake access nearby, and total privacy, this property offers incredible flexibility for full-time living, recreational use, or a dedicated hunting retreat in the heart of the Missouri Ozarks. This is a unique opportunity to own a multi-use property with direct access to National Forest land and nearby lake recreation